Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from binary search, which is called kth positive integer. Okay, so one array would be given to you. Let's say the array is 2, 3, 4, 7 and 11. Okay, and if I say that array should contain 1 to n integers, okay, 1 to n integers, it means that here 1 should come, 2, 3, 4, 5, but these elements are not on their correct place, and in fact some are missing also, right? So for example, here one element should come, but current element is 2. It means that one element is missing here. Okay, and here 2 should come, but 3 is here, so it means again 3 minus 2, one element is missing here, right? Then here 3 should come, but 4 is coming, again one element is missing here. Obviously if it is missing here, then it will be getting missed all indexes which is ahead of this, right? And then here 4 should come, but 7 is coming. It means 3 elements are missing here. 7 minus 3, right? 7 minus 4 is 3 elements, right? And here similarly 6 elements are missing. So I wanted to know what is the fifth element which is missing. Okay, so for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, so if you see, this element is missing, right? And then after that 5, 6 is missing, 8, 9 and 10 is missing, right? So what is the fifth one? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer would be 9. I need to return 9 here. Okay, very simple. How you will solve it? Using binary search. Okay, so see, if I know the range, right, if I come to know where my element is lying, so I will search there, correct? So for example, my fifth element is missing, so I know that here if I can do one thing. If this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So I can what I can do, I can subtract the element with its index plus 1, right? Because it is here 1 should come, no? But index is 0, index is starting from 0, so element minus index. Okay, so what it would be? 1, here 1, here 4 minus 3, 1, 7 minus 4, 3, and here 11 minus 4, 11 minus 5, 6, right? So my fifth element is missing. See, till here one element was missing. Okay, till here 3 elements were missing. So my fifth element is between this and this. So if I know the range, okay, if I know the range of this element, so this is between 7 to 11, my fifth element is missing. So I can say that so this is the 7 is coming here, right? And here I wanted to know my fifth element, but till here I have 3 element is missing. So it means that 2 element more should be here. 2 element is missing between 7 and 11, right? I wanted to know fifth one actually. So 7 plus 2 means my element will be 9, correct? So how you will solve it? Using binary search. Okay, what you will do, see here, if you check the code, low will be your low will be 0, okay, high will be your array length minus 1, and then after that you will run the binary search here, while low is less than equal to high. Okay, you find the mid, then using array of mid minus mid plus 1, this is what we did, right? Element minus index plus 1. Using that you find the missing number, how much is missing, like till here 1 was missing, till here 1, here 3, okay, here 3 is missing till here, means currently here what should come? Ideally here 7 is there, right? And if 3 is missing, it means ideally 4 should come here. And if I'm saying that my range is between this and this, so what will be the fifth element which will be missing here? So 4 plus 5, 9, right? So the same thing we are doing here. Let me take the range. Okay, this one will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what will be my mid? Mid will be my this 2. Okay, now what is array of mid? Array of mid is 4 minus mid plus 1 is 3, so 1. So missing is 1, which is correct. Till here one number is missing. Okay, fine, but I want fifth missing, so I will check right hand side. Okay, so low will be mid plus 1. So now this will be my low, this will be my high. Okay, let me remove unnecessary code. Okay, now again I will check that low plus high divided by 2, so mid will come this. Okay, so my array of mid will be 7 minus, and what is my mid? 3 plus 1. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay, 7 minus 4 is 3. So I will check the missing is 3 and I want 5, correct? So 3 is less than 5, condition false, condition true. So low will be, again I will check at right hand side, so low will become this now. Okay, fine. If low will become this, then my mid, what will be my mid? Mid will also be pointing the same, right? 4 plus 1 divided by 2, so mid will be this one only. So now I will check array of 4, which is 11, okay, minus mid plus 1. So what is my mid? Mid is 4 plus 1. Okay, 11 minus 5, what is that? 6, correct? So 6 is less than 5, condition false. Okay, this condition is false, so my high will be, high is equal to mid minus 1. So now my high will be this one, and as you make your high here, this condition false, low is less than equal to high. Okay, so what will be your answer? Low plus key. So what is your low? Low is 4, low is pointing to 4th index, right? So 4 plus 5, which is 9. So this one will be your answer. That's it. Thank you.